Some vehicles take you on holiday. This one takes you on an adventure. Let me introduce you to the Iveco Daily 4x4. The best campsites don't have streetlights. They have campfires. No hotels, no neighbors, just you and the open world. Where the tar road ends, that's where the 4x4 journey begins. Built for those who refuse to turn back. Most campers stop where the tar ends. The Iveco Daily 4x4 is only just getting started. Built on a commercial truck platform, it was engineered to go where ordinary motorhomes simply can't. From the very first glance, you know this isn't an ordinary camper. Its commanding stance, generous ground clearance, and rugged truck chassis tell a story of strength before the engine even starts. Permanent four-wheel drive delivers traction to every journey. Locking differentials and low-range gearing help you tackle steep climbs, loose gravel, mud, and river crossings with confidence. It's not about driving faster, it's about driving further. Because the greatest destinations aren't always marked on a map. They're found beyond the crowded campsites, beyond the highways, beyond the places most people never see. The Iveco Daily 4x4 isn't just built to travel, it's built to explore, to carry you home wherever your curiosity leads, and to remind you that the greatest adventures begin where the road ends. Let Randburg Commercial Vehicles get you into an Iveco Daily 4x4 and start your adventure today.